Alright, this is 2012 Honda Odyssey. We will be replacing the AC condenser on this vehicle. Alright, so first off, we're going to take this thing off, and then the cover here, and there are fastener that we need to remove. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total fastener that we need to remove. Okay, alright, so we're just gonna yank this thing out just like that. Now we are ready to remove all the fastener, and then there's a top cover. Alright, I am down to this 4 fastener right here. I'm just using a screwdriver. Okay, alright. Now we're ready to yank this thing out just like that. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we're gonna have to remove this one right here to have access to the line down there that is attached to the condenser. Alright, here's the condenser right here. Okay, so we have to remove the this one, the front, and then we'll have to remove that brackets, condenser brackets right there, and right here, condenser brackets. So we'll have to Alright, here's the brackets right here, and we don't want to lose this rubber bushing. Okay. Alright, I think we can pull the condenser without taking this one off completely. Okay, so we're just gonna have to maybe get a tie down to pull this toward the front, and then that should give us enough space right there to pull the condenser out. Okay, and we'll just have to remove these 3 bolts right here so that we can get this thing out of the way, and then there's 2 lines right there, the one on the top and the one on the bottom, to disconnect from the condenser, and then should be able to pull the condenser out without any problem. Alright, so before I take the bolts off on this one, I'd like to put a marker right there, so that way it will be on the same place when I install it, so I know it's right on target. Alright, so putting a marker, put a mark right there. Alright, I'm using this. I wish I have a white marker, but I don't. This is a black marker, but it's okay, I can see where my mark is. Right there. Right, so right there is my mark. Okay, and same thing on the other side. There's my mark right there. Go ahead and take this one off. I'm using a size 10 sockets. Alrighty. Alright, now I got this thing off, so I can just go ahead and maybe put a bungee cord to get this thing out of the way. Okay. Got my bungee cord right there. Okay. Alright guys, all I did, I just put a piece of wood right there. Okay. And also right there, and then that will open up this area right here. Now I have access to that bolt right here on this AC line, and also on the bottom, so I should be able to pull this one out without any problem. Okay. Alright, there's that. Alright, I think I got the bolt off already. There's the bolt on the bottom. Alright. I got one more bolt in here to remove. There you go. Now we're ready to pull this thing out. Got the AC line separated. Now we're ready to pull the AC condenser. Alright, see. As you can see, there is the leaks. Right here area is the leaks. Right there, okay? Alright guys, we're gonna blow the radiator, and from the radiator right here, it's really dirty. There you go. Alright, we're gonna have to replace this O-ring right here, and also O-ring on the bottom. Okay. Guys, on my left is the old condenser. See how wet that was, and also on the right is the new condenser, and everything looks alike. The dimension and the orientations are exactly the same. Guys, we are ready to put the condenser back on. Alright. There you go. It's in. Alright, there you go. We just need to put the bolt and tighten them up. Alright, right there. There you go, just gonna tighten them up. Alright, now we're ready for the brackets. This one right here. And this other one on this side. There you go. Now we just need to put the bolt and tie them up. Alright guys, the new AC condenser has been installed. Alright, and now all we need to do is put the cover on. Alright, and then that completes our AC condenser installation.